Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I want to do a singular review on the power of you, okay? So a lot of you all have been talking about it. So let me give my thoughts, and you can take them, leave them, whatever you want to do with them, okay? But let's get into it. So first, do I think this fragrance is versatile? Yeah, I think this fragrance is versatile, especially during this season. And I probably think that you can even explore this in the colder seasons as well. But let's get into the occasions. Where can I see you wearing this to? I feel like it can go really anywhere, like errand running. If you had a date night, maybe that, like anything, graduation, it's the season, right? We are in the summer season, and happy congratulations to all the graduates, and happy season, happy prom season, all the things. So I think this is pretty cool for like several different occasions. I mean, the summer is here. Kids are probably out of school by now when you see this video, or maybe soon to be out of school. So I feel like this can go with you on vacation and trips and dips and all the things. So absolutely, I feel like several different occasions you can wear with this fragrance. Now, packaging. I don't have the full packaging. I just have the travel size. So the travel size is cute. A little glass, little cute. But the bottle, I have seen the bottle. It's very simplistic. It has kind of like a raspberry, warm, burgundy-ish, type of juice in it. So I think it's pretty cool. It's very minimalistic. I mean, the top is gold, I believe. It's pretty cool. I don't have a problem with the packaging. Do you got a problem with the packaging? Comment down below. Let me know. Now, price. I feel like I've seen this price be about $138, somewhere in there. So yeah, that's pretty much the price. And for me, I purchased mine for $32 for the travel size. Now, do I feel like this fragrance leans more feminine or masculine? I feel like this is pretty unisex. I feel like men, you can get away with this fragrance. Women, absolutely. But I just don't know, men, if you like a very heavy woods type of scent, would you like it? You might think it's more feminine if you like that scent profile. But men, if you're willing to explore in the fruit scent note range, yeah, I think that this could be a goer for men, women, whoever. Now, launch. This was launched this year. Just got here. Giorgio Armani, Power of You just got here. So let's get into the notes. Top notes, we have passion fruit, bitter orange, lemon. Middle notes, we have frangipani, solar notes. Base notes, we have Madagascar vanilla, benzoin, and lavender. Okay? So now that we've gotten all those deets out the way, let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, you all have been talking this fragrance Zah, okay? I have not heard about, I won't say that. Y'all talked about a lot of different fragrances. Y'all have been talking down. So it's actually been hard to be like, should I blind buy this? Should I not? And I think I'm just going to stay where I am on this journey of just getting the test size, tester or travel size, and testing out for myself, seeing if I do want a full bottle. Anyway, y'all been running about this, okay? So I was absolutely curious, okay? Power of You. I'm like, this is people have said, this is the scent of the summer, or the scent of the spring, or whatever. Like, y'all have been talking about this out, okay? Giorgio Armani. Y'all have been hitting them up in the comments, TikTok videos, all the things. All that to say, I'm so glad I tested it. Okay, I'm so glad I tested it for myself, didn't do a blind buy. Now, I can see why you all like this. I'll start there. I can see why you all like this. Definitely it gives the the citrus, the orange, right? The passion fruit, like a huge burst of passion fruit in the top notes. I can see like all the citrus, all the fruits. I get it. I got it. Good. But my sis mentioned it on one of her videos, but she still loved it. I don't know if any of you all are getting this musty type of scent, because I could not get away from that. I'm sorry. I could not break away from enjoying this scent from the must. Like, to a point, I was smelling myself. Like, did I not put on enough deodorant? Like, and again, I'm in the house when this is happening. Did I not put on enough deodorant? Like, what's going on? You all know how I am about musty. I do not like musty. No, I don't want no parts of the musty. I don't want no parts of the musty around me. I don't want no parts of, I am very sensitive to musky type of scent. I am sensitive to it. I'm very, like, so if it has this after scent, yeah. So I don't know if this is the benzoin or the lathamine or the solar in it. I don't know. Y'all tell me. But it has a musty type of scent that I could not break away from. And I, again, can see why you all love it because of the fruits and all of that. But I was even waiting because I was thinking, is this like a guidance? Is this giving me guidance? Because you all know. Guidance, the pink one, that one. The one that everybody wears and loves and adores. When I first sniffed that, or even still to this day, it gives me barnyard. It gives me absolutely that, I don't know if it's the incense, I don't know. But it gives me very barnyard smelling scent. It's not until the dry down on Guidance where I enjoy it, where I smell you all over the office. Like, I love the dry down. I love like when we get to the middle, that first spray, barnyard isms, or that animalic type of scent that you all like. It ain't me. I can't get with the animal. Maybe there's fragrances that, the animal don't smell very straightforward, but in Guidance, that animal, for me and in my body, my chemistry, my skin, that animal sits barnyard very prominent in the beginning. Then I like the dry down. But Power of You, I could not get away from the mustiness of this smell. Even in the dry down, I was like, can we get there? But on a tester strip, this is when you gotta test it on your skin. Because on a tester strip, straight up love it. And that's why I say, I see why you all love this. If the tester strip led to my body, we'd be, oh yes, full bottle, let's get it, let's go. But when I'm testing this, girl, I again said to myself, is that me? It's that mustiness that I could not get past to get to the passion fruit and the fruit and the desired notes that you all are smelling. I couldn't get to the prettiness. I couldn't get to the loveliness at all because I was stuck there. So I tried. So I actually tried it again because I was like, well, maybe it's me. Maybe it's just like, or maybe I just didn't do a good routine. I don't know. Like, maybe I was off. I thought it was just me, but I watched my sis, and I didn't know she was going to talk about it, but Alexis videos in her channel, I watched her and she mentioned it, some people might get this musky note. And I was like, girl, pick me, because that is what I thought it was me, but it's a thing. And so then I tried it again and was just like, okay, let me try it. Let me see if I can get past that and get to the enjoying part that everybody's experiencing. I haven't got there yet. I mean, I still got a ways to go and I'm going to still try it. But girl, I would not be getting no full bottle of this. Based on I can't get past the muskiness of this fragrance, I can't. And I love a good Giorgio Armani. You all know I love a good C. Who are you talking about? I love the brand. Let's not get it twisted. But The fragrance of the summer, the fragrance of the spring that y'all are putting on the platform. Yeah, I didn't get the fragrance of the spring or something. I didn't get it, and I'm not getting it. If it's still gonna smell like this on my skin, I definitely am not getting it. Okay, but I'm gonna leave it for you all in the store because it may not be any left. How y'all talking about it? It's probably sold out by now, and so I probably just don't care at this point to even get it. But again, I will still test it. I don't know. Are you all, or did you all experience anything, or would I have experienced? Is there anybody out there that is experiencing the same skin experience of me? If not, I mean, put y'all skin in the mail. You know, just slither me off a little piece of skin so I can smell what y'all smell. Because I'm totally upset a little bit. I want to smell the fragrance of the season, spring, summer. I want to smell it too. I wanted to do just like that on my skin. But we can't win them all, sis. Okay, fine. Okay, well, that's my full review. No, I'm not gonna get a full bottle right now. But I hope that you all continue to enjoy it, and maybe one day my skin can get past the muskiness that this fragrance is giving me. Period. Because again, if I'm having to double check myself and I'm questioning myself, you're not about to embarrass me in real life. And maybe people around me like, oh, you smell good. I haven't gotten that. But maybe people like, oh, you smell good. But if I'm smelling musky, no, I'm not going to embarrass my own self out in them streets. Okay. Well, fam, again, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your experience. But until next time, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.